Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you all how to delete saved chat on Snapchat, or you can say that how to delete saved message on Snapchat. Okay, so when you talk with someone in Snapchat, if other person they save your message, then how you can delete your message. Okay, so this is the tricks I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, so if you want to know how to delete saved chat on Snapchat, then you need to watch full video till the end, and please subscribe this channel and hit the bell button for new update video. Okay, so now I'm going to my Snapchat. Okay, then I try to message first phone to second phone. Okay, then you can see I select my first phone, then I try to send message hi, first phone to second phone. Okay, you can see I already get message in second phone also. So now if I save message from second phone on Snapchat, then you can get notification. Okay, you can see when I send normal message, okay, then here is white color, there is no background. Okay, but when I save this message from second phone, look, hello, then I get black background. Okay, so that means someone they save our message from another phone or another person. Okay, so if other person they save your message, then how you can delete? Okay, so you can see on this screen I save message from second phone. Okay, and I delete message from first phone. So if I want to delete message from first phone, what I have to do is just which message I want to delete, just I need to tap on it or I need to hold on it. Okay, you can see I just tap on hello, and then you can get delete option here. Okay, then just tap on delete, then delete chat. You can see I already delete. So here also you delete chat, you get notification, and second phone also you can see Stephanie USA deleted chat. I mean the second phone, I mean your friend also get notification that you already delete saved message. Okay, let's say you send a like. Okay, send. You can see I send message from first phone to second phone. Okay, and second phone, I mean your friend also they save your live chat, then you also get notification. Look what notification you get. Your friend saved in a chat, your snap was saved in chat, you may press on hold to delete it. Okay, so you also get notification if your live chat save your friend. So how you can delete it? Just tap on it, then delete. Okay, you can see here also get notification. Your first phone you delete a snap, and your second phone also, I mean your friend also get notification delete a snap. Okay, so this is the tricks. If someone they save your chat on Snapchat, how you can delete. I try to showing you all on this video. Okay, so if you think this video is informative and helping you all, then please like on this video, and if you want to know anything about Snapchat, please comment below on this comment section, and if you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell button for new update video. Okay, so see you soon on next video. Till then, take care, tada, bye bye.